Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change a currency in Google Ads. It is important to note that you cannot change your currency after you've created your ads account. So if you've already created your ads account, you might want to create a new one, and in the process you can talk about your business, and after this part of the process you can click on next. It's going to ask you for more information to save time during setup. We're going to skip for the purpose of this tutorial. We're going to skip again. We're going to skip one more time. Click on Leave Campaign Creation. And here you're going to see Confirm Your Account Settings, where you can change your billing country, your billing currency. So this is where you can actually change it. The steps which we've skipped earlier are for you to take your time and fill them in. We just wanted to show you where you can actually change your currency during your account creation. When you've done this, after selecting it, you can tap away and then click on continue with the process of creating your account like you did before if you had already created a Google Ads account. Or if it's your first time, you can click on continue and follow the steps. But after this page, you will not be able to change your currency because Google Ads does not allow it. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.